quick video, guys. When I opened my browser, I couldn't help but to notice this right here. Trump blames Obama for White House AC problems. Trump blames Obama administration for bad White House air conditioning. President Trump has blamed predecessor Barack Obama for a litany of issues from the Iran nuclear deal to the crisis at the border, and on Friday he added the alleged poor state of the air conditioning in the White House to that list. So it's kind of funny. I'm like, how is that? But I kind of figured it out after I read through this a couple times. I'd rather be right here, he said, before adding that a lot of times you go and they do a lot of work in the White House. For instance, here's the key to the story. For instance, the Obama administration worked out a brand new air conditioning system for the West Wing, and it was so good before they did the system, he said. Now that they did the system, it's freezing or hot in here, he complained. Basically, what it comes down to is the deal was made several years ago, but evidently they didn't change out the units until Trump was in office. So now Trump is saying that the ACs were better before. So I was saying before, you know, who knows? Maybe Obama made a deal with a company that installed Goodman units. Well, I wouldn't doubt it. If anything, it's going to keep the president up at night.